holding them accountable. Free rent for two top Clay County administrators. The 41 Action News investigators went to get answers from county leaders.
Can you tell us what those are, Commissioner?
Andy, thank you. Thank you.
Are you going to bring this up or not?
Thank you.
We first told you about how two county employees, each making well over $100,000 a year, are living rent-free at taxpayer-owned properties. 41 Action News investigator Andy Alcock has an update on this issue. Andy, bring us up to speed.
Kevin and Dia, those two employees are Assistant County Administrators Nicole Brown and Brad Garrett. Neither one of them responded to our questions about the rent-free lease deals last week, so we went to today's Clay County Commission meeting looking for answers.
Why are you back here?
This is a public...
Who told you I'm getting free rent?
Are you? Where are you living? Where are you living? Can you tell me that?
That is none of your business.
A clearly irritated Brad Garrett responds to our questions about his rent-free lease. As the 41 Action News investigators reported last week, county records show Garrett has this rent-free lease at the Mount Gilead Historic Area near Kearney.
Do you not live out there?
Who told you that?
It's in a contract. Do you live out there or not? Do you live out there or not?
In addition to Garrett, another Assistant County Administrator, Nicole Brown, has a rent-free lease to live at this property Clay County rents from the Army Corps of Engineers near Smithville Lake. Brown left Monday's meeting before it was over and was unavailable for comment. Both leases say Garrett and Brown are on call for 6 months of the year. We tried to ask Commissioner Luann Ridgway about that on-call provision.
What exactly are they doing for this on-call?
As I said, I can only answer one reporter at a time.
It's only one question, ma'am. I mean, can you answer one question at a time?
A short time later, an assistant pulled Ridgway away, claiming the commissioner had an appointment. Not satisfied, we tried to ask Ridgway the same question again as she was leaving.
What are the on-call services? What are they exactly? I mean, they're not specified in the contract. Can you tell us what those are, Commissioner?
Andy, thank you.
Are you going to bring this up or not?
Thank you. Goodbye.
Last week, Commissioner Jerry Nolte tried to put a proposal on Monday's meeting agenda. It would require a vote of commissioners to approve similar county lease contracts in an open public session. But then he received this email from Assistant County Administrator Lori Portwood, telling Nolte on advice of counsel the proposal would not be put on the agenda, even for discussion. Nolte characterizes that decision as the tail wagging the dog.
The county councilor has been somehow given veto power over what we discussed.
Clay County has hired the Hush Blackwell law firm to provide legal advice. We tried to ask that firm's Allie Barton after the commission meeting why Nolte's proposal was left off the agenda.
Can you tell me that?
With no oversight on the rent-free deals from the elected commissioners, Nolte argues the administrators, like Garrett, have control over their own deals.
Who's making the decision about these free contracts? Can you tell me that?
It is none of your business where I live. You are endangering my life. Jerry Nolte is endangering my life by telling you these things.
Now, we should tell you, Nolte did not tell us where Garrett or Brown lived. Late this afternoon, Brown issued a statement which calls out Nolte. It reads in part, his false allegations are shameful and the affected employees deserve an apology for his helter-skelter behavior. I ask that he act in a manner fitting the office to which he was elected rather than the schoolyard bully I have witnessed in recent weeks. I'm investigator Andy Alcock, 41 Action News.